The mLIMS Mouse Colony Management Split Cage tool provides a faster way to split a group of animals in one cage into one or more existing or new cages. Starting from the cage view and under Review Cages, the current screen will show up. Select a cage to split. Click the Split Cage Tool button. You can split the current cage into an existing cage or add a new cage. Here we're going to add a new cage. Fill in the information about the new cage to create one. Drag and drop animals into the new cage. Click Update. You can review cages and animals and print cage and animal cards. After cage splitting, you can review the original cage and the new cage to verify the process.